Yo.
What's good,
no,
y'all?
my edges are messed up.
So I think I might leave that in the video. Or at least just for us to watch, okay? Yo, CJ, Cormac, and what's your name?
Boss Queen.
Oh yeah, Boss Queenie.
This is Boss Queen.
Yeah, we out in nature. Yeah,
And it's wet as fuck.
boys. Alright, so yeah.
I was gonna.
I'm trying to fix my edges over here.
You almost bust your ass.
Y'all just like
Yeah, we're trying to get back to civilization
Yes.
my
without
edges are
dying.
messed up.
Oh,
Hug it out. Hug it out.
well, not sure. The fact that Boss
on.
Queen, the fact
Come
that
on.
it's humid.
Come on. Come on. I'll take you to the safer side.
What safer path?
The next shows me what park we're at.
I'll try not to.
This is gonna be difficult with my knee.
It's gonna be difficult anyway.
Mhm.
Oh shoot, fine.
That's what she said.
What's up, y'all? My edges are messed up. That's fine, you know. Not about that. My edges are messed up.
Holy shit!
So yeah, I'm about to fall off this. And yeah, hold on. Oh! I almost fell.
Oh my god, shit!
Okay, I'm down on some grass and I'm more safer than
I have
usually.
to get her. Ready?
And I'm not trying to die today. I'm
I
not
got
trying
you.
to die. Oh shit! That's not funny.
It is to me.
Okay.
Are you serious? Nice, Boss Queen. This is not a time for your musicals. I'm sorry, I gotta see that, man. That's folded.
That's how you do it. I have a dirty joke to make, but I'm not gonna make it.
Man, I look black as hell.
No, you won't get it. I bounced around on her last night.
Yo, man. I wish I could just switch the camera around back and forth while I'm recording, but it doesn't.
Yeah.
That's what sucks. You gotta pick.
Wait, hold on. Can I?
Nice try.
Got him.
Yeah.
Boss Queen is my YouTube channel.
I know. Hold on, I'm trying to get a place where it won't be that wet. A preview.
Take her out!
You. Move.
It's not your musically.
Move.
It's not a musically. It's my YouTube channel. Oh my god.
Wait, move. What do back here and scream?
Come on, cuz.
I'm scared.
I'll find you do it. Woo! I ain't gonna lie. I'm a little impressed. But I want my YouTube channel back, alright?
I got you. See, I got her in a headlock.
A boss lock.
Boss lock.
So yeah, where are we gonna go now?
Let's go to the next part.
You wanna go to the stadium?
Where we train?
Oh yeah, you guys want to check out the stadium?
Oh yeah.
Alright, let's go.
The stadium where the tuning exams were held.
Wait, put the camera on me.
Come on, cuz.
I'm just a kid. Move.
Wow.
I'm just a kid. But it's there.
Do that on your channel. Why not use your phone? Bruh.
You just record me walking away. I'm just like, bro. I'm out. I'm peace.
Fuck this shit, so yeah. Chilling. Like
Okay,
a
now I need to turn off the camera.
Why?
Why?
We're walking there.
No.
So
You can vlog while walking.
there's no signs. Besides, they can just. Besides, I'm not that famous on YouTube, so it's not like.
He only has 2 sheets on you.
That was rude.
I mean,
I'm promoting his channel.
I guess I could ask my friends to subscribe, but like I'm scared.
Why?
I don't know. I haven't really talked to them, so I feel kind of.
Trying to hop the fence or something?
I don't know. I feel like, I might just do it. So yeah, promoting.
Wait, now I feel bad.
Why?
I didn't subscribe.
Yes, you did. Who did then?
Who's the second person who subscribed? Ah, shit. What the fuck? Insects biting me and shit. Ah, shit. I'm getting attacked.
Give my phone call.
Man, this is assault.
What up, guys?
Yeah, it's raining, man.
Yeah.
You recording now?
Yes, I'm recording. This is Boss
What's up?
Queen.
Hey, CJ Risto in the building. Hey. Yeah, Cormac recording his own video. Go check that out.
Yeah, he's recording his own video. right.
Go.
Okay. Oh, you're gonna record your own video, Boss Queen.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
You gotta wait 24 hours before you can go live stream, apparently.
Oh yeah.
Somehow. However that makes sense.
I can't go live anymore because it's copyright. That was BS. How they like copyrighted me because I had Hard Knock Life on the radio and I was singing along.
Ain't that
It's not like I said it was mine.
exactly like, come on, cuz. Y'all for.
Oh man. But like, it's not
So
mine.
yeah.
I have full respect to those music artists.
So yeah, guys, if you're watching this,
Fuck, I don't got no wife.
holla at your boy.
Come on.
I need Wi-Fi.
Ooh. What? I got a Wi-Fi box in the trees or some shit.
Whoa. You said something. Pause.
What?
Wi-Fi box. Think about it.
You think wrong, okay?
I have. What are you talking about?
Pause. Wi-Fi box. Oh, never mind. You don't know the expression.
I'm confused. Wi-Fi? What? What's wrong with Wi-Fi box?
It's Wi-Fi bars, not box.
I said box. Or
Bars.
same shit.
No, it's not.
No, I mean like the box that you know. Forget it.
Oh, it's the bush where we were never seen again.
Oh yeah, I was sure, but a guy sitting in there, so I don't feel like blurring it out.
Subscribe. It wasn't me.
Oh. Who did?
I guess I have
Now you
a.
have three.
I guess I have a random subscriber. Hey.
Random. How does the first one
I have a song that you can use for your intro.
Hmm?
I have a song for your intro.
You should see my.
Nah, you should
song.
use it for your thing.
Oh, actually, sister did it like that.
Yeah. We're going to the stadium, which is right there, right?
Yeah. Except you can't enter through there.
Yes, you can.
No, like the others.
Yours and them did.
Through there?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
They got in somehow.
I thought they went on the other side because like the gate has a chain, so you could push it in a way so you can enter.
Ah, the tuning exams, remember?
Yeah. No, watch my friends watch it. They be like, "The fuck you talking about?" I don't know. I'm high.
I don't know.
That's a good answer.
No, you're not, okay?
Unless people ask if you're high. Are you high?
Yes, I am.
No, I'm not. I'm drunk.
Where's the song? Goddamn. Ew!
It's mud.
Ew, that's so muddy and shit. Ew.
Where do you think we are, nice? Come on. Well, outside the stadium.
Well, outside, yeah.
Hey, I wonder if it counts as trespassing.
Wait.
It doesn't say nothing about trespassing.
No animals, bicycles, liquor, vehicles are allowed in stadium's facility.
It says nothing about trespassing. I don't feel like
I don't feel like that.
just get to spike up your anus. I'm not feeling.
I'm not feeling
Okay, okay. Just let's go on the other side. All right.
that. Yeah.
No, not that side. The other side.
This side?
Yeah. Yeah, trust me. I know how to. I know a way. Like,
I know the way.
do you know the way?
This is actually a really good song for you.
No, I already have mine.
No, not for you.
Nah, I think I should use my own songs.
Yeah. He already has instrumentals out.
Yeah, which y'all should definitely check out. I'll upload some raps when I figure out how to add my voice to it. I'm gonna ask for help. Shit.
I think I know.
Just add your instrumentals into it. You know that, right?
I don't know. I'm confused.
I'm a pro YouTuber. No, I'm just kidding. I'm a pro.
So yeah.
but I actually have some songs that you guys should listen to, like Twisted.
Y'all should go check that out.
Yeah. And Searching for the Summer. And
So, yeah.
Bears. Sounds random, I know.
Okay, so yeah. I'm just end the video right here. Pick it up soon. Yeah, peace.